I'm so tired.
Why do I wake up so early? Is it a holiday? Yes, Cinnamoroll, but you promised to go to Melody's house. Oh no, I forgot. Okay, I will wash my face first, then change clothes. Which clothes will I wear? Wow, the shirt says Cinnamoroll. Hey Melody, why aren't you awake yet? Wake up Melody, wake up, it's morning. Oh no, my head hurts. Oh no, your body is so hot. You are sick, Melody. Use this towel, Melody, so your fever can go down. Okay, Cinnamoroll, thank you. Yes, you're welcome, Melody. It seems like my fever has gone down. My headache has healed. I'll get a cake for you before you take a medicine. Hi, friends. Do you have food for Melody? Yes, I have these 2 cakes. Please bring them, Cinnamoroll. Wow, thank you very much, Kelly. Okay, you're welcome.
Yay!
Now you eat first, Melody. Then I will get medicine for you. Okay, Cinnamoroll, thank you. Okay, now I will get medicine for you, Melody. Hey, Potato, do you know where the heat medicine is? Yes, it's in this drawer, Cinnamoroll. Yes, thank you, Potato. Hey, Melody, take this medicine right now. Okay, Cinnamoroll, thank you very much. Well, I check on you again, Melody. Wow, you are here. Now you can play again, Melody.
Yay!
Hey, Kelly and friend, Melody are here. Wow, it's great that we can play together again. Thank you, all of my friends. Now I'm healthy. Let's play again. You're welcome, Melody. Yes, come on, play again. Okay, that's today's story. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.